celebrating Jimmy Cliff. Hi, I'm Debbie. Usually, only national leaders accorded official funerals. But then Jimmy Cliff was a very special singer and songwriter, respected and admired the world over. His send-off focusing on his legacy, music.
Many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find.
Jimmy Cliff remembered as a cultural giant and a pioneer. The reggae superstar accorded an official funeral Wednesday. The running order at the National Indoor Sports Centre, a mix of tributes and performances.
Jimmy Cliff did not merely entertain the world. Jimmy Cliff uplifted the world. It is not often that I agree with the leader of the opposition. But the harder they come, the soundtrack is probably, I mean, you said it was among the best. Not that I want to top what you have said, but I think it is the best soundtrack. I think we can agree that yes, it was among the best soundtracks ever produced.
And then the harder they come, the harder they fall. One and all.
From the Prime Minister and leader of the opposition, to Cliff's friends and associates in the music business, to the late film director Perry Hensel's wife and daughter, present along with Island Records founder Chris Blackwell, there was an outpouring of praise and respect for the man and his music, its international reach, and a performance in The Harder They Come that contributed in making the film the cult classic it remains today.
Of course, Jimmy was no stranger to a music studio. But when the cameras rolled in Federal to film the very first recording of the title track, magic was captured that night. And many credit that scene as the world's first music video. My mother, Sally, who is sitting right there, saw that yellow star on a black satin shirt, and Jimmy subsequently wore that star. It became his emblem, his star, on stages across the globe as he sung and spun and did splits.
Along with Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff was the only Jamaican admitted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and The Harder They Come, one of only 2 reggae albums inducted into the United States Library of Congress. Several family members were present.
Very few souls come to this earth and say, my life is going to change the world. Our Father, he did that.
Emotional tributes also from Cliff's Moroccan widow and their 2 children.
It's really meant a lot to me and my family. It's meant a lot to see everyone here, to support my father's music, and it really shows the reach he's had over the course of his life. So thank you, bless and love.
2 daughters tapped their dad's genre-crossing music.
Join me for Jimmy Cliff. We all are one. We are the same person. I'll be you, you be me. We all are one, same universal world. I'll be you, you be me. One more time. We all are one. We are the same person. I'll be you, you be me. Muito obrigada. Obrigado, meu pai. He did his job. Thank you for being here.
Cliff's cover of the Johnny Nash hit I Can See Clearly Now, stirringly delivered by Tassan Chin.
I love the celebration. Very overwhelming, but we really love it.
It really is about anchoring his authenticity, his joy, and his strength. And this is what he wanted. He wanted us to celebrate music and joy.
He really was, you can get it if you really want. He really was wonderful world, beautiful people. He really was the things that he sang about, you know? So he wasn't just the messenger, he lived the message.
A legend, a great songwriter, a great performer, an artist that stayed in his lane and just delivered the goods with excellence.
When I took him to Brazil, in Salvador, he drew over 56,000 people inside that stadium, you know? So when you travel around and you see the strength of him, you know, it's incredible. He represented brand Jamaica on an international scale that most Jamaicans don't even know. What Jimmy Cliff has done for the music, I think that pedal Bob Marley's career to go further, and what Jimmy Cliff has done for me as a kid, pedal my career to become the man that I am today.
No matter where I was in the world, I had to be here to represent that greatness and to celebrate with the people who are celebrating him. He will be remembered as the great Jimmy Cliff.
Official recognition for a great Jamaican. No getting around what Jimmy Cliff achieved in life or the sorrowful impact of his passing aged 81. But the mood of his send-off also a celebration, set to the playlist of a classic catalogue, from My Miss Jamaica to Reggae Nights and on and on.